girl power and what we can do united. But this has like exceeded my expectations. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I feel so proud right now. And I really feel like this is such a do you moment for all of us. So I think you guys should just give yourselves a pat on the back.
Do it.
I love you too. I love you guys like even more right now. I can't wait to see all of you on the floor doing the plank with me. This will be so much fun.
You know, the Do You campaign is such an epic concept, and it's something that is so important to women around the world. What does the Do You campaign mean to someone like you?
So when they first came up with this concept, when Puma first came up with this concept about Do You, I was like, it's so funny because I can relate to so much of this concept. Many years ago I came here and I had to start fresh. I didn't know anyone, I didn't have family, had no idea what I was doing, didn't know the language, didn't know anything about Bollywood. And there were so many moments where I felt like my nose was just above the water and I didn't know how I was going to survive or get through it. And those were my moments where I was like, okay, I can do this, I can do this. And those are my Do You moments. And I'm sure all of you guys have been through it. Which is why I believe so much in this campaign. And for all of you who are here today, you all are already winners. All of you. So just believe that. I think you already know it as well because, hey, we have the same hairstyle. The girl who's waving the flag. You already know that. And your strength is being here today and showing the world what we can do united just by being your individual strong self. So good on you guys, seriously.
Yeah, it's incredible. Yeah, you can cheer for yourselves. At what point in your life did you decide that, you know, I'm going to write my own course, this is what I'm going to do, this is how I'm going to do it?
I think it was my decision to come here. I think that was the moment when I landed, you know, at the airport and in Mumbai. It was late night, I remember, and I walked out and I saw all these like cabs and I had no idea like what was going on. And I had to get into a cab in the middle of the night. I had a little address like on a piece of paper and an emergency number. And I think that was the moment when I reached safely to my destination. I was like, okay, that was my moment where I was like, I can do this, I can get through it. And then there were many more after that. And I'll just tell you something in life. Maybe this is something that you already experienced or something, but in life there are going to be so many of those moments, and they might even happen every day. But just remember, don't sweat those small things. Keep your focus on the big picture, and at the end of the day, you're not going to regret it because you kept your focus. Okay, guys? Woo! So, do you?
Do you?
That's what's important.
How important is an event like this?
It is, because I mean, just look at what we've created as a unity, you know, everyone here, and I'm sure you guys are gonna, I'm sure all of you feel a sense of accomplishment already, right? You're here, whatever brought you here, it was definitely an inner voice that said, I can do this, I can get through it. You guys can plank for 60 seconds. That's insane! That's really, really cool. I mean, I got like my makeup guy, Sean, to try it. He's a guy, and he couldn't even last 10 seconds.
Oh,
Sean, yeah.
I use my hands to make up, not my core.
Okay. There he is. Okay, Sean. Hi, Sean. Remember,
you lost so much weight.
Yeah. Yeah, that's because I'm trying to make him plank. He's been pretty useless though. But yeah, so these events are important, and I'm glad that all of you are here because I know all of you are inspirations to so many other people around you. Because already you've inspired me, you've inspired all of us here today, but I'm sure you're going to be spreading that inspiration around just by being here today. So that's why I feel things like this these are so important.
What have you done to prep for today?
Huh?
What have you done to prep for today?
Had a good breakfast.
Yes.
What else did I do actually? I think it's in the mind. Yeah. You know, it's something, things like this, moments like these happen when you're prepared for them. So I'm sure all of you guys are fitness freaks, and if all of you here today know when it comes to fitness, more than your outer body strength, it's your inner, it's your mind that keeps you going. And those last few seconds as well when you're doing plank, those are the moments when your mind is the one that gets you through those last few seconds. So, and I can see that in all of your faces, in all of your eyes. I can see that already. That you guys are all already, you're really focused up there. So that's what's good.
And we have them of, they're just of every age. We had a 65, 66-year-old lady. Where is she? Can you put up your hand? Where are you?
Yeah, we've got.
There you go. Oh my God, there's one there. That means we have more than one.
I made my mom do it yesterday as well. Did you see that? Yeah. And
They
she
saw
did
your
it.
Snapchat. They said they saw your
She was
Snapchat.
so happy that she did it. So I'm so happy. Oh,
There
look at
she
you.
is. Ah.
Oh my gosh. I wish my mom was here today.
My mom's here, and she just passed the screening. So, Mama, very all the best.
All right.
She'll never let me say her age, but
Awesome. I'm so proud of you. I see like a little girl here as well.
Yes.
Are you going to be
Are you
planking? Are you planking? All right.
We're gonna have all age groups here today.
It's all up there. It's all in your mind.
Jacqueline, I remember seeing you years ago. Remember we used to go to the same yoga class?
Yes, we did.
Yes.
On Carter Road.
On Carter Road. We used to go to the same yoga class and she would come out chat with
Mosquitoes used to bite us and we were like keeping because of open air noise.
But more than the mosquitoes, I want to tell you, even back then, our yoga guru gave us some crazy, remember? It was like,
Yes.
it was crazy. I want you to show these girls one of two things. Either you must show them just the correct posture to plank in, or you show them the craziest move you did in yoga, which you'll never forget. What would you like to see, girls? Yoga or planking? Both. Yoga se hi hoga. Planking.
Yoga. Huh? But we're going to be planking together anyway, right? So, yoga. What are we going to be doing for yoga? What should we do?
Yes.
Should we do...
Tell us which. Oh. Come on. Did you Snapchat that? That was brilliant, Jackie.
That was one of the tough
That was
ones.
brilliant.
Yeah.
Also, if you will, because these guys have seen videos, etc., but just to show them exactly how you plank, would you mind show us? Girls, you want to see this? You just want a show. You want her to come down, then nobody else will be able to see it. So she'll have to do it here, just about here.
I'm going to be a bit of a
Oh God, I know somehow the ladies are always taking their clothes over on me. This is not the first time.
It's always the guys, so now it's my turn.
All right, Jackie, let's do this.
Plank. First you need the floor. Okay. Help. All right, and secondly...
You need a good call.
All right, so...
Can you see?
Okay, move forward a little bit. Forearms down, your elbows are also directly under your shoulders. Your hips are like a little bit down, they're not too high up. They're down. Toes are in place. And here we plank.
Jackie!
Okay, are we actually going for it?
Oh, yeah, no, just giving us the demo.
Jackie, when I just show you do it! Do you?
We're gonna give Jackie some time to go backstage and just prep a little bit because we don't have long now until we all plank together.
Looking forward to seeing you guys for our epic plank together. So, see you in a few minutes. I'll go.
See
Go
you.
warm up. Go warm up.
All right, shall we get some more people to completely fascinate you and...
To grab enough room where you can plank. So give yourself like an arm's length position. Everyone spread out for me and get into a plank position so that you have enough room and you know where you're at.
So guys, try it out once so that you know that there's enough room behind you. Because there is enough room and we would not like...
Spread out as far as you can. We got cameras everywhere. We're going to capture all of you.
All right, guys, you see these white lines before you? Would you please leave the first two lines and move back to the third onwards? There are volunteers who will show you how to do this.
Just follow the instructions of the volunteers on ground. We need 50 people in each line.
60 people in each line.
15.
15.
115.
what the actual size of this place.
Final
150
number.
will do. Come on, ladies, keep that energy high and the spaces as well, because we really need you to do this. It's almost time to break that record.
Members of the media and press, we need you to please stay on the black carpet, okay? To stay on the black carpet. Members of the press, if you could just step back and stay on the black carpet, please. Don't go any more forward than that. I'm watching you. All of you. Alright, hands up for me if you're in position. Alright. Have you got enough room to plank? I see you all sitting next to each other, but you should have enough room to get into a plank.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. You know one picture here. Yeah.
थोड़ा यहाँ साइड रख यहाँ से अरे बाप रे इधर पार्टी हुआ ना मी आहे थोड़ा सा पार्टी हॉल का प्लीज
Alright. Hi, ladies. Woo! This is exciting. Do you guys have enough room? I think you're going to need a little bit more room. Everyone move down a little bit, please. Everyone spread out a little bit. This line here is great. You've got enough room there to play.
we need to move everyone in
एक मिनट मैडम मैडम ये मैम थोड़ा बहुत हो गया
Thank you guys.
Alright, guys.
अभी नहीं बाद में
भैया अभी पीछे
we're not allowed yeah we're basically not yeah okay that's our email
2 minutes कराऊंगी. Everybody else will go around. You do for 2 minutes. And then we will checking if you're doing it all right. You're going to make us proud today. Now you are also being used because I'm going to do.
Excuse me. Yeah, ma'am, look here. Sakshi, ma'am, look here. सिक्योरिटी दादा जरा मैडम ए दादा सिक्योरिटी दादा थोड़ा क्लियर हो ना प्लीज मैम सेंटर मैम स्ट्रेट मैम हियर सेंटर मैम बोथ ऑफ यू कल की मैम कल की स्ट्रेट मैम साक्षी इस तरफ साक्षी है सामने एकदम एक्सक्यूज मी साक्षी हम बाकी कल की पोज कल की वाले Thank you so much. कल के Excuse me, दादा. ओ दादा. कल की यहाँ पर. कल की straight. कल की. कल की. Thank you.
बाहेरच्या लोकांकडे पण बघावं लागतंय.
नको ना तिकडे छापणार नाही छापणार सगळे इकडे.
I love how you talk to me in Marathi. तिला नाही येत मराठी. I'm Punjabi. No, but I get what you're saying. Yeah, madam. We are not endorsing Apple.
आपके राइट मैम यहाँ पे उज्ज्वला हियर मैम
इकडे पण आता.
ए दादा मैम कट डाउन सम मोर मैम डाउन सम मोर राइट साइड राइट साइड
Right side.
Yeah. Look here.
Yeah, this side. Right side.
Yeah, this.
So everybody heard that. Nobody can fall down, all right, ladies? We trust him. This is the silence before.
I don't have to say hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome, because this is about hello ladies. So we wanted to do an event where Puma just wanted to say hello ladies, and for a change, men are cheerleaders here. And I just wanted to tell you a bit about, I know you've heard this before, the moment of reckoning has come, very close. We are attempting the Guinness World Record for the maximum number of people. Women are anyways planking in their daily life. This is just an expression of it. And your core strength, your inner strength is what we at Puma believe in, and that is the platform that we wanted to create.
We're also going to take this moment to show you guys once again exactly what the proper posture is to plank, because remember, it's got to be done right for it to be counted as successful. So let's take a look.
Guys, are we
हर्ष चलना सेंटर लगे कैलकुलेट अकेले सेंटर लगे सेंटर हर्ष भाई सबको पीछे लगे भाई फ्लैश हो रहा है विदाउट फ्लैश नाइस हम सेंटर भाई ये सब साइड करोगे भाई सेंटर या सेंटर हम आगे आए
Anushka Manchanda is totally asking me कर लेगी और अगर नहीं किया तो क्या करने वाली मेरे साथ?
I have to encourage people from up there, that's my job. Should I go and plank? We need someone to encourage. I'm watching you, Jackie, I'm watching you. Sakshi, I'm watching you guys.
ओए दादा
And get ready. Because we are about to break.
I don't you move on the platform नहीं यार ये कौन है यार अरे तुम लोग हट जाओ यार थोड़ा सा पीछे
we get all of the Kiddies volunteers to please sit down? Take a seat on the ground, please.
Stand up, please.
You can move once the time stops. For now, we can just get you all to kneel down. Ladies in the center there, thank you so much. Lady in the back there in the green. All right. Here it is. I'm going to hand the mic over to you now, so. Do it.
Everybody ready? Thumbs up, please now.
तेरा पैरा रख बोल यार चलता है फोटो तुझे
2 1
आवाज ना दो समोर बघा सॉरी ठीक है कर दो
Alright guys, so it's gonna take about 25 minutes.
आने के लिए और हमको पता चलेगा अगर हमने रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया कि नहीं और फिर एक दूसरा अटेम्प्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग टाइम है, नर्वस टाइम है और लग रहा है कि हमने छोड़ दिया, मतलब सबने अच्छा से किया. It was very easy. I think the amount of people that have showed up is just really amazing.
कितनी तैयारी की आपने इस अटेम्प्ट के लिए, आज के लिए?
मतलब प्लैंक्स तो मैं करती हूँ मेरे वर्कआउट में, तो ऐसा नहीं है कुछ खास चीज़ कर रही हूँ. लेकिन जो अच्छा चीज़ है ये है कि सब लोग आए, क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्ड तोड़ सकते हैं बिकॉज इट्स अ नंबर ऑफ पीपल. इट्स नॉट कि हम बहुत लंबे तक प्लान कर रहे हैं, बट जितना लोग आ रहे हैं, मतलब दैट इज़ द रियल लाइक record breaker. Yeah, I mean it's great. It's an all-women record. It's that we're trying to break, and women from all over India have come and traveled to be here for this today. So it's fantastic.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, how do you feel you are part of this unique?
मेरे लिए बहुत अलग है. फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ मैं देख रही हूँ, और कितनी सारी लड़कियाँ हैं जो इस डू यू मूवमेंट में पार्ट ले रही हैं, और ये बहुत अलग और एक अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है. और हम आज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाने जा रहे हैं 60 सेकंड प्लैंक के साथ. 1800 के करीब हम लड़कियाँ एक साथ प्लैंक कर रही हैं, तो ये कुछ अलग है और बहुत अच्छा मूवमेंट.
मैम, इसके लिए आपने कुछ प्रिपरेशन या ऐसा कुछ की?
नहीं, मेरी तो ट्रेनिंग ही ऐसी रहती है. आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग मैं रोज़ प्लैंक करती हूँ, तो 1 मिनट हम कर सकते हैं इजीली.
मैम, रेसलिंग या ये, इसमें से दोनों में से टफ कौन सा लगा आपको? क्या रेसलिंग इजी था या ये रिकॉर्ड बनाना?
रेसलिंग ऑब्वियसली टफ है. 1 मिनट का प्लैंक इज नथिंग फॉर मी. थैंक यू.
सबसे पहले जैकलिन जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या कुछ जब ये अरे सर आप
पीछे चलो प्लीज.
Can you start?
Give me a mic. मैं पकड़ता हूँ ना.
पकड़िए. Go back.
What do you know about the do you?
Okay, ready? So today we're here for the Puma Do You Plank Challenge, and it is a campaign that we've been working on for the past couple of months, and it's really about recognizing your inner strength and really giving it all you can, because we all go through moments in life where we question our beliefs and our focus and our dreams, and I think this is a plank, but it goes a lot more deeper than that, and that's what we wanted to show people today, that they are capable of doing so much more than they believe they can. पहले क्या? हाँ, पहले एक्चुअली आज कुछ नहीं प्रिपेयर किया क्योंकि आज संडे है, लेकिन प्लैंक आई मीन बहुत टाइम से करती हूँ, और इट्स एन एक्सरसाइज व्हिच इज अमेजिंग. सिर्फ आउटर स्ट्रेंथ के लिए नहीं, लेकिन इनर स्ट्रेंथ के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. सो इट वाज एन अमेजिंग थिंग दैट वी वर doing the plank today with so many different girls, and it was like such an amazing moment of girl power for everyone.
It's an all-woman effort.
Yes. That's the thing. I think like for me it's a very, very proud moment, because we were able to encourage so many women and girls and of all different ages to come here today. Like I even got my mom to do the plank, and she found it really difficult, but she did it. And that's the thing. It was not about showing off your strength, but it was showing off your mental strength today. And we were able to achieve that a lot with all these amazing, inspiring women with us today. What? A move? लेकिन plank अभी किया तो yeah, and you saw my yoga move, so I can. Absolutely. I think the most important thing about strength, and for women, men, everywhere, this is something which has no gender discrimination.
And it is important for me, and the reason why I encourage it to all of my friends or people that I know is because the minute you have strength, you've achieved a certain amount of discipline in your life. And that is really, really important because it helps you achieve so much more than whatever you put your mind to, because it includes pain, it includes discipline, it includes, sacrifice. And these are very, very important things that you have to learn in life. And fitness helps you get there. So for whoever you are, I mean, like gender, sex, caste, whatever you are, like religion, fitness is something that has no boundaries, so it is important.
Thank you, Jacqueline.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Wish you all the best. Chalo.
Ma'am, what do you like to say about the unique record you made by all the women?
What do you think? Is there something different and exciting?
Yeah.
Firstly, you get to see so many women, which this country and men love to see women. They're suppressed. No, I'm joking. But I think it's to make the women realize that anything is possible. If you all come together, if you put your mind to it, you can achieve it.
Ma'am, have you done any preparation for it? Prepare your front?
I do a lot of yoga. I've been doing that since I got pregnant 11 years ago with my daughter, 12 now, she's turning 11. So I love doing yoga, and yeah, we do a lot of plank because yoga is all about not just balance and strength, it's also being able to pass that mental threshold of pain to get to the next level. So that is what it is.
It was purely a woman empowerment. Means all women are there. What do you like to say about it?
I'm a woman, and plus I have a daughter. I have 4 sisters, no boys in my family ever, other than my father, who was a cop, so we grew up around cops. And I think, what better example than that? Because we are all women in my family.
Ma'am, are you excited? Soon the result is going to announce. What do you think? We have made it?
I don't know if we have made it. I think it's not about winning, it's about getting there and doing it. And nothing else matters, because just seeing so much of positiveness on this ground today, it's unbelievable. I think I was like supercharged up. I hope I've made it though.
Ma'am, any message for our all women?
Yes. Be strong, and anything is possible. Just believe in yourself and do you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.